Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel focused on the latest technology and trends. Today, I'm going to be talking about web scraping made simple with JavaScript. If you're a beginner curious about web scraping and JavaScript, this is definitely the video for you. We'll start by introducing the concept of web scraping and why it's a valuable skill to have. Then, I'll dive into the nuts and bolts of web scraping by demonstrating how to set up your environment, get the necessary packages, and start coding. I'll break down each step so that you can understand the context of web scraping. After that, I'll explain what scraperjs is, its importance in web scraping, and how it can make web scraping even simpler. Finally, we'll review the valuable resources I recommend using when web scraping. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding of web scraping and how to web scrape with JavaScript. So stay tuned, let's get started.